Welcome back, guys. Let's double check with my custom record set what's going on with the Moonbeam. First of all, guys, this token already delisted together with the Moonweaver from the OKEX. Does it mean the Binance will delist these tokens from exchange? I don't know. But for everyone who won't believe in idea, so any single token can be delisted any single moment, the Binance just recently added the Akala network under monitoring tag, and it's from the same Polkadot parachains. So Accumulation network, Moonbeam, Moonweaver, Aster, Clover. It's been under that parachains, on the Binance for 5 years or 4 years ago in 2021. So any single moment, any single token can be just added, or under the listing tag or under monitoring tag, and can be delisted. So first of all, you have to know, it's just my personal idea. I don't think so. The Moonbeam will ever reach, I don't know, even $6.31 of this global FEEP. So I don't know what exactly this token working on the last 5 years. I just have no idea, even 4 years. So they deliver nothing. And yes, of course, the people who stuck in this token, they shield again and again and again. So no, just wait. This is sleep giant. We'll recover back. We'll blast off, and all of this absolute nonsense positive thought, So if they so special, why they dump so hard? And it's not only about a Glimmer. So the flow token also dump it like total BS to 3 cents. So it's kind of weird, Anyway, we work. Let's work only with the local zones. The amazing scenario if by some miracle we're gonna hit the test of $1.44 monthly gap, but also I don't think so. The previous analysis what I posted here, we traded 17 cents, and the test of monthly gap what I posted, the analysis was in zone 23, and I posted, so it's possible because it was just only 755% gains to test the monthly favorable gap, and the fulfill of that gap, it was like 1,200. Maybe it could be the end of cycle for the Glimmer. It sounds logical, but take a look. From now, it's totally different prices. And from now to reach like a 10,000% gains to the fulfill $2.40, it's almost impossible. And I don't know what should happen with this token so that Glimmer after the listing from OKEX will skyrocket 10,000% gains. The volume still okay on a Binance. It's like 400, but imagine the smell if the Binance will decide to add under monitoring tag or delist this token. So I don't want to scare you or the spread. It's not a thought. It's just a theory which can be real in the next few months. So sometimes, guys, it's happened. It's kind of absolutely mind-blowing how the token from 3.8 billion market capitalization dropped it down to 25 million. And now what is good for Glimmer? It's 85% tokens. Unlock it and in circular supply. So congrats everybody who out in the right time. And still unlocks ongoing. So the next unlock will be in 7 days, January 11. So be careful, guys. Fundraising rounds also take a look. They can dump even to the seed round. I explained it many times when we see some token with a cartel, private rounds, seed rounds, some priority rounds for some special people. They invested at that prices, and even if they still in profit 144, they can dump the price because they so greedy. And they, if they can, to get a profit, so you receive the token on the seed rounds and you still in profit 150%. Would you dump or would you buy more? Definitely after the 4 years, they can dump, take a profit from the air and reinvest in other tokens. So guys, let's focus now only on the local zones. If you want to buy now at 2 cents 45, up to your own risk, guys. Be careful because we can drop to the seed round. If we will drop to the seed round, it can be like approximately like 52% drop. Honestly, I don't think so we will drop. If we will drop, it means it should be some special, even like a monetary attack or delisting. Right. Right. All right. So I think we will bounce. How high we can bounce? We can bounce to test 7 cents. It's fundamental value of this token. Test of EMA. It's, I guess, 50 EMA, right? So yes, it's 50 EMA. On the weekly, it's 8 cents, 63. Test below buy line 929. Exit take profit line 1842. Exit line 2089. And the test of 50 EMA is 23.36. So from now, it also can be the good gains. So approximately almost over the around 900. Test of 200 EMA on the weekly time frame. It can be 2,500% gains, 50 cents. And yes, it's amazing rally. It's totally crazy rally. Not even major tokens perform like this one. So keep in mind, all lines are dynamic, so just track it. Monthly time frame, there is no data for take profit indicator. EMA, we can close, take profit. On the daily, guys, buy line now it's 2 cents 18. For the value of this token, it's 1 cent 61. Everything will, the main reaction of the market, we will see in the Monday, the price in oil, how the S&P 500 reacts on this United States, Venezuela kind of war and military operation. And take profit line is 4 cents 32. Exit line is 4 cents 87. You can see how every single bounce, the big guys just dump the price because they can. They can. So now focus only on local zones. ADZ direction, guys. So yes, of course, based on ADZ, we so oversold. So yes, we got a chance for the bounce. We never been so oversold and so good condition to buy like it was in November 24. And we form even divergences, so technically it's good. But honestly, I better skip the GLMR. I don't want to take a risk, So I'm better miss the chance to make money than lose the money again with potential delisting, because I'm already did it with the same with the portal now on the monetary attack. The Starknet dumped it like crazy. The BBL, I lost the money with the delisting, so I don't know. The flow now on the monetary attack, so I'm enough with this spot games. I'm now focused only on futures trades. So this is accumulation based on a direction indicator, so technically it's good. Market mood. Definitely it's capitulation zone. So guys, I don't know what should happen. So this token will pump, but it's possible. It's possible, but hard to say based on what. Also, if you traded the trend lines here, this is the trend line. But keep in mind, guys, if we move like this one, it doesn't mean it's a breakout, because the chart always moves on the right side. To break the trend line, we need to see something like this one, with retest or without, and go higher with the volume, with the main volume. So this is it. So at least, guys, if you want to buy now at tests of the take profit line and the exit line on the daily, 6 cents, 7 cents, 10 cents, just withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. It will be not a mistake. So monthly, I guess, also in a, wow, imagine, still in like a red zone. So it's not a capitulation on the even in the monthly. Money power, no money inflow. Weekly, yes, some money inflow. So some guys accumulated. Monthly, only now we see in December, we saw the money inflow. This is one more example, personally for me, the note for the next cycle, use my set, and start accumulate only when we see the money inflow and total disbelief, total capitulation zone, some underfundamental value on the monthly or on the weekly, and the money inflow on the monthly and the weekly. Because all that price movement, it was just a noise for speculation only. Now it's more than logical to start accumulate this token up to your own risk, of course. Trade on, guys, and no buy, no sell signal on a monthly, weekly. We saw the signal to buy beginning of December. It's kind of interesting because on the weekly we saw the sell. Here's a buy. Was in November. Buy, I mean take profit from the sell, and this is a buy. So it's good. So technically, guys, once again, I repeat, if you want to buy now at 10 cents, at 7 cents, just withdraw initial deposit. I added my alert here for reaction. So for reaction, maybe I will open short, some local short for the pullback after monthly fulfill. I don't know, from 15 to 10, it's going to be the like 31%. With second leverage, it's going to be the 60%. So maybe I will take a short. We will see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a GLMR. Will this token recover back or be delisted? If you'd like to trade with my customer side, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.